animals are coming out from the cave. A dirty kitchen. Let me put some light here. Ba-boom. So we had this one was running yesterday, and in the morning they fixed it. What a good repair. So we have an issue. We have a very big issue. What happened to us yesterday, Jalila? What happened to us yesterday?
You guys remember we was grilling outside and we have a 2 chair there.
And now
Somebody
we have
took the other one.
How can we find out?
Let's ask the madam to check the CCTV.
Let's check out. What is up, dog? What is up? That dog is always here. He wants to have some food. Yeah. Come on now, let's go. Let's go. Yeah, then we were grilling. I will show you where. Yeah, look how nasty it is. It's crazy. A cat. So we were grilling over there. Selena. Oh wow, I think I saw our chair. Selena.
Ah!
Come look. Look,
Huh?
come. Come. Is that our chair over there? Put your coffee here. Look. Look, is that ours? Over there. Come here. Is that one ours? Is that ours?
Yeah, I think that's ours. Yeah, I think that's ours.
Go ask the guy. Did he took the chair over there?
No, that's your friend.
Huh?
He's your friend.
No, let's go. You ask. Just tell him that somebody stole our chair. Ask him.
Or maybe no.
Huh?
I'm not sure. Because they have a chair inside also.
Hello, sir. Selena, go ask. Go ask. Go, come on now.
I'm not sure.
It's
Because
okay.
they also have a chair. Come on, don't touch me. Oi.
Okay, let's go.
Because I'm not sure.
Let's go make drama. Let's go make some drama. Me, I'm so pussy. I don't wanna go. Actually,
It's better to check.
I can go actually, but that guy is like super gay. And I don't like this thing, you know. He started hitting on me, asking those weird questions. Hello, good morning. Hello. Look at this. What the hell is this? Somebody stole our chair. Do you hear me? Somebody stole our chair. Why are you so shy? The people are loving you. People are loving you. Yeah. Hello. How are you? Vlogging, yeah. Somebody stole our chair yesterday.
So, where did you put your chair?
Yeah. Jesus Christ, they don't hear
Nakakita
me.
ka?
Bilang peso.
Isa.
Asa yung ganito mas na yung CR? Di ba na yung CR dito?
Ah.
What?
Yeah.
Kaya natin ang ano kahapon kita ako sa CCTV.
Oh, okay, mag-reveal. Yeah,
What?
she's doing it to see somebody.
Oh, you should.
Nobody stole, you just use it
Yeah,
and
we just use-
never
Yeah,
put
sure,
it back
go.
in your...
Oh, okay.
Over there daw.
It's okay.
Yes. Sama na yan sila, hindi mo ha, there. Kuay.
We just want to make a drama.
1,000. Ah, okay. I know that you're a vlogger. Hi. 2,000.
How are you? Are you gonna go to the club? You look like you're going to the disco. You look so fabulous. So what happened with the chair?
Huh?
What happened with
Somebody borrow it
Just
without
borrow it.
asking us.
that? But it's like stealing.
Huh?
Wait, this. All this. Oh, guys, I'm not gonna steal. I'll just borrow it. I will go to Manila. I will come back. Paul Barravit. Not stealing, borrowing. Bye-bye.
If you break that one, you pay
It's okay.
60,000.
It's okay, you can touch other people's thing. You just say you're borrowing.
It was your friend who took it. It was your friend who borrowed it. Your friend, a gay friend.
Really? That's okay, actually. So what do you want to buy?
That one.
This one?
Yeah. Duha.
Tuha. This one. A bread.
Giilisan na niyo ang gripo, no?
Pila.
Nasyak na pagwataw kay gabi. Iman to. Yan kay... Wata daw, giilisan. Wapun may kabalo.
Pila.
34.
Do you want to find a foreigner man? Would you be interested? I will let the guys know.
Yeah. She's single.
I do. Yeah.
So guys, look at this beauty. Let me know in the comments if you are interested. I will hook you up. I will hook you up.
She's a nice woman,
I'm a
hardworking
pimp.
woman.
How old are you?
22.
22 guys. Look at this beauty. Have her own work and everything. Good wife material. I'm not joking.
That's a really good wife material.
Yeah. Hello, sir. Good morning.
Cobra in the morning, poison cobra.
Yeah, cobra in the morning. Yeah, guys. It's not good to eat the sweets in the morning, so that's why I have this cupcake. And that's why I have this cupcake also. So do not eat or drink sweets in the morning. You can have the diabetic.
What a good advice. And
Yeah,
can
because
eat and drink.
you're raising your blood sugar so high up. And, you know, if the blood sugar is so high up, your body stops using your body fat anymore. Now you have to feed the body. And if you bring that level so high up, your body will stop using the fat at all. That's why people who have diabetes, they will get super fat because their body is not using the fat anymore, you know. But if you're like fasting, I don't know if you guys know about fasting. If you fast, your blood sugar level goes so down and your body starts eating his fat, you know. So it's better to keep the sugar level down. So don't eat shit like this in the morning. Eat like a meat or an egg or vegetables where you cannot find any sugar. That's how you get skinny. Yeah, that's why I look like this, because I eat like this. Getting you guys a little bit confused.
And I have coffee.
I like turtles.
Time to receive the package. I will order something. I will show you guys what did I order. Hello, sir. 652 pesos. A package for my camera. Just give me 40. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Yeah. So you can order stuff from online, from Lazada, from Shopee. I ordered myself something very good. I'll show you guys. What the hell did I just order? How much is the shipping fee usually?
125?
And it will take like a week.
Yeah, 1 week,
to
7
receive.
days.
Yeah. It depends. If it's like the package is in the Philippines, it will take like a week.
Yeah.
But if it comes from the China, it will take like 2 weeks probably. Then what is this?
A steak.
Yeah, I'll put this on a stick, and this one will go to the GoPro. So I will just put it like this. Ooh la la, and it's done. So I got myself this thing here. This middle piece. Oh my god. Whew. Then the Cobra is so strong. It will make me a little bit dizzy. But this one, look, I can take the camera off like this. I will just press here, boom, and like that, the camera is off. And for example, I have another one here. I can just hook it over here so easily. Boom, you see guys. Done. Let me throw this in the ground. And this one here also. Yeah. I had other one also, but every time I, open this one here, if I try to like make it longer, like this, it tends to come off here also, So yeah. Now I got a better one. I don't have to worry about the camera will fall off. What is this animal doing here? Oh la la, let's check the Jolene out. Oh, nice feet, everything. What a nice beauty, huh? Let me go. Have a good chat with Jolene. Come on, let me. So what are we gonna do today, Jolene? What are we gonna? Don't hide my face.
We're going to the city and we'll go try to book around there.
Yeah, we're gonna check out different places in Dumaguete city.
Yeah.
Yeah, some places we've never been. So it's gonna be a nice food video. We will go discover more places. So guys, thank you so much for watching and see you soon.
Yeah, see you soon.
Yeah, just go back to our channel and click another video.
Yeah.
You will see what
We'll
interesting.
have video every day.
Yeah. And guys, if you want to support us, subscribe to the channel and give this video a like. So yeah, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Bye.